In this video, I will give you a quick update because I made a version 1.2, a little bit an improved version of the post remix automation that you find in the automation bundle here. This was version 1. The difference, so the functionality is the same. There's just a few changes I have made to make it run smoothly and to help you avoid issues you might have and errors you might get with setting it up. As you can see, for example, here in this automation, I have removed, as you hear, there were still these Google Drive modules. These caused issues for some people that want to use personal email accounts, personal Gmail accounts. So I removed those and I built this functionality, the Google Drive functionality, into the app script code. So it basically it uploads the videos into your Google Drive folder in the same folder where the sheet is operated. So the way you use the sheet is similar. So I want you to follow the instructions of this here, setup part 1, setup part 2, and setup part 3. And so follow these instructions of version 1.1 because these are exactly the same. The only thing you don't need to set up in this automation here is in part 1 is the Google Drive module, so you can just skip those. And that's what I've removed here, as you can see. And yeah, anything else you can set up exactly the same. As I said, follow these instructions here. I will just quickly tell you what the new feature update is, but for the setup, you just follow the same as version 1.1 because it's identical. So for the template, you download the Google template and you click on authorized and you click on install, and then you follow the same functionality as the other one. So for example, here, another feature I have added is that it also downloads the imported images from those Instagram posts into your Google Drive folder, because also normally the link from this scraping tool is expiring in 24 hours, I think, and then this image is lost. And here you only need to import it once, so the link is always the same and can be used by the automation, which then analyzes the image, right? And then here in the topic, everything is the same here. Also the input is the same, the functionality is the same. The only difference here as well is there isn't really any difference that about the functionality. So here it's just the same. You type in your platform and then you click publish and you get the publish time. Now here the link is just automatically saved in the Google Drive folder, so it automatically does this it gets the URL from the generated image and then it saves it in here first, and then afterwards it will turn it into a Google Drive link, because also the direct link from because we have removed the Google Drive modules here. And so that's really all you need to know for the setup. You find the new improved version, so only the generator make blueprint is different here. I only removed these Google Drive modules, as I already mentioned several times, but I just want to make sure when you follow the setup, you just skip the part where I show you how to set up the Google Drive, and you go directly to the last part, which is here, is the URL from the image link here, which comes from this image generator module, which saves the image link it gets from the AI image generator into the Google Drive, into the sheet, and then it turns this URL from OpenAI into your Google Drive module. I think these were all the upgrades I made. You find all the new versions below this video. Here, the automation blueprint 1 and the blueprint part 2 of part 2, it's identical. There were no changes, so the only changes were basically in the Google Sheet and in the automation blueprint and the publishing blueprint. This one I showed here, but again, follow the instructions of the setup here, 1, 2, and 3, and then just use the resources that you find below this video.